Hi, crafty friends. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. I got this amazing grab bag from A Cherry on Top, and so I wanted to open it up with you. So look at all of this stuff. I'm going to go open it up individually and show you, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview. All of this came in the box. It's an amazing deal. I will have a link listed down below in the description box if you are interested. So the first thing I have here are these enamel dots, the Spring Vibe dots from Pink Fresh. And these are, let's see, this is from Gingham Garden, and it's made by American Crafts. You get all of these amazing things. And then these flowers are from Graphic 45 in the color of French blue. So pretty. I've been wanting blue flowers, so I just love these. Then you get this Moxie glitter. It's a fine crystal glitter. And then this is burgundy paint, and it's Stamperia. So I'm excited to try out this. Next, I have this beautiful stamp set from, it's called Gingham Garden, and it's made by American Crafts. Super pretty. And then these are 18 cards and envelopes from Paige Evans. So that's really cool. And then from Altenew, I have this Bold U die set. And then from Altenew, I have this Impressionist bouquet, and it is a 3-layered stencil. So I love this. This is gorgeous. Next up, I have these stickers from Dear Lizzie, and this is an American Crafts product. And I love all of these, so pretty. And then this is paper. Now, this is called 6x6 Kawaii Paper Goods Paper Kit. Let's Brunch Collection. And so you get 4 sheets of each. So I'm showing you here the front sides, and then I'm flipping quickly through these and also showing you the back sides of a couple. But it's got some really cute images. These will be great for making cards. I love that. I think I could also incorporate these onto a scrapbook page as well. But, you know, it's so fun to get this grab bag because these are maybe, oh, I love these chairs. These are like products that I might not necessarily have ordered, but since they sent them to me, I love them, and it's allowing me to try different products. So all of these are super cute in this collection. Very usable items so far. All right, so let's open the next item. This is from, let's see, this is called Painted Floral Ephemera, and this is from Prima. So I'm showing you here a few of the items that come in this kit. I love ephemera. I never will let butterflies and florals, it won't just sit. I will definitely use all of these items. And then there's some really cute sentiments in here too. I love all of these. So this was a really good thing. Okay, let's check this out. I nearly fell over when I opened this up because there is so much stuff in here. And this is from Vicky Booten, and this is the Peppermint Kisses Papery Pack. And there's 200 pieces in here. Would you look at all this? Like, I'm still going through these. So little tags, and look at this. It says flight ticket. That's super cute. And we've got Christmas. These, oh my gosh, little tags and poinsettias and some holly, and here's some more tags. Now these are printed on very thin paper. Oh my gosh, there's an envelope. That's so cute. I'm still going. Little journaling spots, some little candy, some more tickets. Oh, look, a little gift receipt. That's super cute. Some tags. Lots of stuff. Ooh, this is different. And then these are like stickers. They're like washi stickers. So you get tons of stickers in here too. Look at all of this. And then let's see, all these words. What's this one say? Joy. Oh, what fun. Noel. All these cute little tags. 'Tis the season. December. Holidays. All these are washi stickers. These are stickers too. Like little border strip stickers. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got all of this. So I do have the link listed down below in the description box if you want to get yourself a box. So amazing. Oh, I love this. Look at this coming up. Santa Bingo. That's super cute. And then Rolodex cards, little notebook paper. That's got Christmas shopping list. That's super cute. So you get all of this in there. I'm still not done. More came in my box. Look at this. There is a 12 by 12 paper pad in here. Now this is also from Prima, and the paper has gorgeous foil. So there's 26 sheets in here, 6 double-sided designs. You get 4 sheets of each. And then there's also 2 cutout element sheets. So there's one with like cut aparts, like 3x4 cards, and then there's also some that are like ephemera pieces. So I went ahead and cut one of each out just to kind of show you. So these are like the little cards, and then these were like the zip strips on the top. And then I started cutting out some of the ephemera. There's still more that I haven't cut out, but I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. So now I am all ready to make a scrapbook page with this gorgeous ephemera that I cut out. So pretty. I love everything in this box. I'm very happy with buying a box. Okay, if you've enjoyed this unboxing, please hit that thumbs up button, and I'll leave the link down below. Let me know if you pick one of these up, and each box could be different. So it does say that on their website, but here's a look into mine, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.